Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pinpointing why the browser blocks the request. Open DevTools and read the core's message. Once done, verify whether the call is a simple GET or triggers a preflight options. That changes what headers are required. Make sure you compare exact origins, protocol, domain, and port, because even HTTP versus HTTPS counts. You should also confirm whether credentials will be sent. That affects access control allow origin usage, and whether you need access control allow credentials set to true. Now change the server response so the browser can accept it. Set access control allow origin to the exact origin when credentials are used, or use star for public, non-credentialed APIs. Then add access control allow methods and access control allow headers to satisfy any preflight options checks. If your client sends cookies or authorization, enable access control allow credentials and return the exact origin, not star. Once headers are correct, restart the server and reattempt the request to confirm the header flow is delivered. Finish by testing end-to-end. Clear the browser cache or use an incognito tab because old responses may hide fixes. If you cannot alter the remote server, implement a server-side proxy that forwards requests and injects core's headers, since proxies bypass browser restrictions. Always validate headers with curl or postman to confirm the server sends access control allow asterisk before retesting the browser. If issues persist, check for mismatched origins, missing preflight headers, or intermediary caches rewriting responses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.